I'll go, bro.
Should I add music at the end?
I started it. Hey, good morning, people.
Good morning, good morning.
We got another.
Today we bring you episode 2 titled The Lure. Our main objective today is to provide context to whatever we spoke about yesterday, because we only realized later that not a lot of folks know what Madhapur test is. So we have Kedar here to explain what Madhapur test is, because he has been the only consistent one here who has probably outperformed all of us.
So basically, the Madhapur test is when you write it at the start of 11th before the start, and the portion is all of 9th and 10th.
No, 11th and 12th. 11th and 12th. JEE advanced, bro.
They taught us in foundation, whatever they taught us in foundation.
They didn't teach us anything. They didn't teach us anything, bro.
They did, bro. Are you?
I don't think they taught us de Broglie wavelength.
They taught us gas shit.
They didn't teach us JEE advanced.
That was basics, bro.
Okay, bro. Whatever you say. 11th and 12th portion.
Our focus is also going to be mainly on not having any curse words or swears in here, because last time we did that, Saish's one remark got the account terminated.
Actually, yeah.
Yes.
What did he say?
And his comment too, because
Did he
his
say
comment was
did he say the
very
N-word or something?
homophobic. No.
Okay. Anyways, let me explain. Madhapur test, you write. Basically, there's three batches in Madhapur. The top batch, where the top.
It's like the caste system.
The
It's
top.
like the caste system, bro.
Hey, Karthik.
I'm gonna beat you up, Karthik.
There's not three batches.
If you stop,
I'll bring Ambedkar back to life and ask him to beat you up.
I'll beat you up, Karthik. Shut up.
He has reservation. What are you talking about?
Anyways,
Oh yes, makes sense.
the top batch contains, I guess, 40 people. The top of Hyderabad, all Fiji centers.
Okay.
The top people of Hyderabad who write the Fiji Madhapur test go to that branch in the top batch, and the rest, without interview, they just go to bottom two batches.
That brings us to our second topic. That is one of our very close friends. His name was Pratyush.
His name, what is
He's
was,
no
bro?
more.
Did he die or something?
He's no more with us right now. Because
He left us and he fled to
He's
Madhapur.
gone, bro.
What happened was he was studying very rigorously for a month for a Madhapur test, and we did not know about it. We thought he would remain in Dilsukh Nagar.
We thought he was
Wait,
playing Valorant.
Pratyush wasn't the only person. Saish was grinding too, but Saish turned out to be a failure.
Because of
right,
Hershey.
Saish? Yes.
He made me
talked
wake up
about
at
that
3
yesterday.
a.m.
We didn't go to Madhapur because of Hershey. He's the only reason we are here.
At least Saish grinded. I gave up on the start.
You never had any hopes, bro.
I didn't even
You
study.
never had any
Zero
hopes.
hopes, bro.
Zero hopes.
I'm better than Kedar at least.
Okay, bro.
No, bro.
I probably got more than you.
He's getting more marks than you, bro.
You're getting 50s,
He kind of is, bro.
50s in mains.
Okay, moving on.
okay, yes, we just included Pratyush in there to make him not feel
Bad.
left out or whatever. He's still our core gang member, just on the other side of the city.
Anyways,
Yes.
he lives the dream life, bro. His parents support him and buy him games, and
They support him even when he gets low marks, which he does not. He never gets low
he
marks.
never gets low marks, but they still support him.
And yet he got into Madhapur branch, IIT Bombay by playing Valorant.
He played Valorant every single day. He likes every single reel on our feed, bro. I don't know how.
It's a major skill issue.
Yeah,
We could not
just
cope.
a skill issue, bro.
Yep.
You guys are recording again?
No.
No, bro. We're not.
We're not.
Chill out.
Chill out. Company is calling you there, bro.
We are just talking with ourselves.
That was Ashwin. We just sent him away.
Yeah, actually, company is calling you back there.
He's actually calling you. He needs to talk to you.
Okay, to keep it going, we currently have no other topics to talk about, because that's all I could list out today. But the title is titled as The Lore, so we are going to be dropping some of our old lore
Oh, no.
and keep the new ones coming with the new episodes.
There's only one important lore between us, bro.
Speak now.
That was a leak. He leaked that we have a podcast to the worst member possible.
Okay, look, Ashwin.
Very autistic member.
This is supposed to be a secret
Secret,
podcast,
yes.
okay? It is public on YouTube, but you're not supposed to spread it around to people, okay?
Yes.
It's our secret.
Hey, chi man.
Bro, please. Just sit in there, bro. Don't sit. Get. I am.
Okay. We'll cut this part out.
Don't.
Sit there.
Sit there, go.
Sit there.
Go sit there and think about your life decisions. Go.
Today, Neeraj Chopra's final javelin throw.
Oh, cool.
Oh yeah, we get free visa. Like
If he
visa if he gets gold.
And Vinesh Bogart has been disqualified.
Yes,
we heard, yes.
We heard
That
that.
is very disheartening.
Some female
We only
wrestlers.
have 3 medals right now.
She was actually shit apparently, my dad was saying.
Interim government takes over Bangladesh.
Okay, this is not political news, bro.
Not a
Please
political
go.
podcast, so we'll invite you as a guest on some other episode when we're talking about politics, okay?
Bye.
We finally.
This feel left below nice.
Only the autistic member left.
Hey, don't say Aviram.
Bro, you're gonna get our account terminated.
Actually, bro, shut up. Yes. YouTube think that's bad.
Abhiram did not mean it in a bad sense. We are all friends with Ashwin. We all
Please do not
support him.
cancel our podcast, please.
Okay, continuing.
Do you want to talk about the...
Okay, let us start with how we all came to be friends. And we ended up being.
I sat with Pratyush at first.
Wait, everyone just tell your opinions when you saw us on the first day.
I thought Hershey looked very abnormal when he removed his mask.
I never removed my mask.
Mr. Dr. Doofishmut type of shit.
Saish and Hershey used to tear each other's masks.
I never tore his mask.
I thought
used to be
Arjun
a
was some
gang,
goblin
bro.
who
We used to
descended from the
we used to not tear each other's masks.
Maybe, I don't
Others
know.
used to tear our masks.
And I'm wondering why Kedar was so obese.
Makes
Kedar
sense.
was definitely obese back then.
Karthik actually looked nice.
He was bald back then.
I wasn't bald in 9th. Bro, I came with my jock, that floral mask is the floral mask and the side part.
Everything except cricket in 9th and 10th was very bad, irrelevant, boring. Basically,
And black cricket. Kala cricket.
We talked about
We
that.
talked about it
10th
yesterday.
wasted our time in Fiji. Should have joined in 11th and 12th only.
Fitzy is the reason I turned out like this. Please do not join Fitzy.
Yes.
Never.
Never join. This is actually the reason I turned out like this, bro.
All 4 of us would have been in Madhapur if we studied like properly 9th and 10th.
Who is the 4 of us, bro? Okay, 4 of
Oh,
us.
1, 2, 3,
We also
4.
5 of us.
4 only. Bro.
Who is we, bro?
Who is we? It's just us podcast members.
You realize
Okay,
your
man.
name is on the second dustbin, right?
It doesn't matter. I'm
second
the
dustbin.
podcast.
Okay, I'll add him to the first dustbin.
First dustbin. Okay, sure.
Okay. Abhiram has a girl now, by the way.
I don't.
Why does
Let
she
us not talk about that. Let us not talk about that. That is largely irrelevant.
Exactly.
Okay,
more like a new topic for another episode?
another day.
No, we are not talking about that.
You wish, bro.
Okay,
We'll talk about Harsh.
English Sanskrit test ఉంటదంట.
what else did we talk about yesterday?
English into Sanskrit test ఉంటదంట. తెలియదంట.
Let's talk about the present Fiji. We gave admission form and eternally signed our doom.
Signed ourselves to hell, bro.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Why did you contact
We are paying to get tortured here.
They took 11th fees in 10th November.
Why did you contact me?
Do this resonance people beside us, bro. They should.
Hey! Bro, they'll get our account
No,
terminated.
that won't.
Resonance has-
It'll get our account money restricted. It won't get our account suspended.
Okay. Anyways, Resonance has a billion times more girls than us. Good looking girls. than
0
us.
into billion is a 0, bro.
But their IQ is billion times less than us. Those guys.
Who is we?
Those guys.
Who is us, bro?
Hey, Karthik.
Okay, I'm
Stop
not repeating that.
those remarks.
Those guys don't know what log.
Okay,
into the base
basically,
is.
you might not have the same amount of chance of getting into an IIT if you're going to Resonance, but what you will have is not a very miserable life.
Yes, you can, instead of paying attention to English class, you can pay attention to your potential girlfriend.
Yes.
No,
Kedar, not everyone is like you, Kedar.
Kedar, I have one question.
agree to disagree.
Those girls might look good, but what's the guarantee that their personality is not chapri?
They are chapri, bro. Most of them are chapri.
Yes, I don't think.
So you like
most-
chapri good-looking women?
No. I'm talking about.
Short, white, and chapri good looking.
Okay, bro, scream that out loud.
Lot of Himachalis are like that.
Assumptions made are being
Don't
pushed
put
around.
remarks like that, bro. It'll actually get us banned.
Okay, Okay, just to get it out of the way, we are definitely not racist. Because we have a phone
we are a very
call-
peaceful racist group.
No, we are not racist. We are
peaceful.
anti-racist. We have a black-colored guy in our friend group.
Or Saish.
Let's bring him in.
Hello guys,
Top. Yes.
my name is Tejas.
Okay, Saish, stop stealing my identity.
You are Abhiram.
I'm Tejas. I don't know who Abhiram is.
You are Abhiram. I just
You are
told you.
Abhiram.
I'm Tejas.
You are Abhiram.
You're Abhiram and you live in Ramat.
Ramatapur ke.
Kedar lives in Bodupur.
Yeah, I live there.
He's from DPS Nacharam. He has 20
How
girls.
many minutes are we in?
I don't know, probably.
Check.
Okay, wait.
We'll cut it out if it's 10 minutes long.
It is 10
Okay,
minutes.
cut it out.
No, let's continue.
Bad.
5 more minutes.
Bye.
No, we'll continue 5 more minutes.
Why?
You're my hand.
To explain our current setup,
Not
Kedar's phone
Is inside my basket.
is currently stuffed inside his basket. So when an auntie walks in, you can easily hide his phone and get away with our podcast. Okay, we are back with a minor edit.
Technical issues.
We cut the podcast because it was very bad words you being used.
Accidentally said
Karthik
stuff.
cannot control himself despite warning him a more billion
bro.
amount of times. He
Okay, bro.
cannot contain himself
Okay,
to
bro.
pure English words.
I get your point.
Okay.
Moving on. We have Srijan here. Srijan has a Gujarati girlfriend. Punjabi. They do.
Stop,
They eat dokla every day.
Talk about stereotypical stuff, bro.
Let's talk.
Okay, yes,
Let's talk about
all
Karthik.
Indians are my brothers and sisters, guys.
Let's
We have to treat everyone equally.
Let's talk about Karthik.
Equal.
Another technical
Another
issue.
technical issue because
Because
Abhiram cannot stop being a
Very bad person.
very disrespectful person. Yes.
Yo, stop this now.
Okay, we'll
Lunch
get
break
out.
is over.
We'll
we have
go.
to go now.
कल
We don't
एक
care.
अच्छा एपिसोड करेंगे.
Please
We'll
like,
try to be
share, and subscribe.
We'll do a
not
better
share to other
episode,
people.
bro. We'll do better episode.
Arey!